Today we're here at the OK Petroleum Trade Show. We're excited to be here. We get the opportunity to meet new customers. We get to see what people are doing in the market and how we can support them better. OK Petroleum is different from the other customers I have because they have this show. None of my other customers are hosting and bringing us together to meet their accounts, so it's really refreshing. Next year we will definitely be back. We're happy to support this account. It's always a good time.
OK Petroleum is a family-run business. You can talk to an owner at any particular time. They've got great customer service, a great sales team. There's so many advantages for you to work with OK Petroleum. It feels great to be invited to this show. Certainly encourage, if you're not here this year, to attend next year because it's one of the best shows I've attended.
OK Petroleum is my family's life. We were born into this company. My father started it. My brothers and I were born into it. That's what we were raised to do, is to run OK Petroleum. This event is basically to bring all our vendors into one place so our customers can take advantage of all the deals they have to offer. Where normally we'd have to go to Vegas and see all these vendors, but we bring them here to Long Island.
The regional manager with Casserole Lubricants here in the Northeast. What we're doing today is supporting our favorite distributor, OK Petroleum, in this area. This customer event that they do brings a lot of people together that we wouldn't get to see, and we're here to let them know that we're a partner with them, and it's a great event.
We're not bringing any vendor in here. It's got to be a quality product, a quality filter, a quality oil, a quality antifreeze. That's it, you know?